today we're going to cover how to buy solar panels. Once you've determined solar is a good investment for your home, it's time to start your buying journey. We recommend following some really common sense but important principles. First, you should shop around for multiple quotes. Then, you should review the installer's reputations. And finally, check the equipment the installer is proposing, focusing on factors like brand reputation, power output, efficiency, and warranty. Once you've selected an installer and refined their proposal, it's time to decide how you want to pay for your solar panel system. Generally, we recommend paying with cash for the best long-term savings or a loan if you want to start saving immediately. We're not big fans of leases because they mean you don't own your solar panels, don't qualify for most incentives, and they result in the lowest savings. Next, you'll need to sign a contract with your chosen installer, place a small deposit, and schedule a site visit to prepare for installation. When your installer has determined your house is solar ready and is prepared to proceed with your installation, your installer will submit the paperwork required for installation, interconnection to the grid, and any available incentives. The installation itself will typically take 1 to 3 days to complete. Then you might need to wait a few weeks for your utility company to give you permission to operate. Once you've received the okay, you're ready to start producing free, clean electricity right at home. To learn more about going solar, visit EnergySage.com. Thanks for watching.